guys, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark speaking. Today I'm the passenger.
Show your face. You should show your face first.
No, in our Nissan Leaf 2012. As you can see, the miles that are currently on it is 52 miles of range out of the 2012 Nissan Leaf. So we're heading on our destination, which is about, we can go across the light, babe. Okay.
No.
Which is
38
approximately 38 miles, and we have on the speedometer right there.
That's pretty clear.
52 miles, as you can see.
In eco.
In eco mode.
If it's not in eco, it's in 47.
Not in eco, we're in 47. So I'm just gonna document the ride.
Give the people the right
The realistic amount of miles it took to. Yeah, the realistic amount of miles it took. What you got me? To reach down to think there, the destination that we're going to, which is Bridgeport, Connecticut. So I'll fill you guys in on the progress that we've made, taking the highway and charging and all that. So with just luck, hopefully reach down there safely. My wife is driving because she wants to get used to that, so I'll fill you guys back in with how everything is going. So we're still on our journey. Haven't gone too far. Probably about a good 10 minutes. Doing good so far. Driving in eco mode, cruise control as well. So shoot's doing good. Car actually regening, putting back range into the car, as you know, as it should, going downhill and stuff like that. So so as you can see, it's set. So we're doing good so far. Alright guys, so I'm checking in back. So presently at 17 miles on the gasometer, or the GOM that they normally call it. Well, as you can see, we had 16 miles to our destination. We have 14 more miles to go. So roughly we're supposed to get there with about 1% battery state of charge. So yes, it's like this is a real world anxiety, range anxiety test that we're doing right now. But yeah, we're here for the journey, you know what I mean? It's experience teacher wisdom, so we're gonna learn same way, you know. But we know bug capable of doing it, so you know what I mean, we're just having faith that we're just rolling as we go. So I'll check in back with you guys when we reach the charger and just conclude this trip. Alright, my gingerbread and jelly bean faith is kind of running out. We have the indicator to charge. It's blinking. I have 2 bars left, 8 miles on the GOM. It's telling you battery low, as you can see. Battery level low, indicating to you, so you need to plug in. And I have approximately 5.1 miles to go. 9 minutes worth of driving. But yeah, I believe we're good, right, Chucks? I think we're good. Exit 29. I think we're good. We're doing good so far. We're going with faith at this point, but again we're down to 7. We use mostly the cruise control while driving. So yeah, we're doing good so far. So I'll check in back when we reach the charger in a few minutes. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so come. Alright guys, so I reached the destination. I'm currently charging right now from a Granny Lee charger. I'm going to show you guys what took place. So this spot's supposed to have 4 chargers available. Yeah, that's bug right there. I park in an awkward spot, but you have to do what you have to do. So I plugged in to my granny charger right there, level 1 charging. So I'm charging right now in a crooked spot. Run a cable to an outlet. So this is like a regular 110 outlet that I plugged into. So I'm pretty much charging right there. But if you come over this side, you can see 4 EV chargers that are all occupied right now. So 1, 2, 3 are occupied. I'm low, so I just plug in and just doing what I can do at the end of the day to get it charged up, because it's really hard. So yeah, another EV come to charge and it's all full. So yeah, that's the best I can do right now. Yeah, that's the experience. There's a lot more EV than charging right now in the US. So a lot of people have EVs. A lot of people are finding it hard to charge. Some station you go, depends on where you go, you have, you know, free chargers. These are free chargers that you don't pay for. These would be like destination chargers. You reach a destination and get to charge, which is good. The only issue is that it's a 50-50 chance that you're going to get to charge, because right now speaking, you have 4 nice level 2 chargers. You have 3 Teslas charging there right now. I wouldn't say it's unfair, but I would say that Teslas normally have bigger battery packs. They take longer to charge. There's a Nissan Leaf as well. I drive a Nissan Leaf. I drive an older model Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf that is charging now is a newer model Nissan Leaf. But the way the garage is set up, you can just unplug somebody, then plug in. The chargers don't stretch that far. So that's one of the issues with that. So luckily my charger cable have a long extension, so I'm able to reach far, improvising, plugging in, being close to somebody else's car, which I don't mind. I just need to get enough juice so I can go to a fast charger to get some juice in and go back home. But you know, I guess you're at the workplace, you plug in, you take it off the charger when you finish, you know what I mean? So stuff like that, they can be on it all day, blocking out the rest of the chargers for visitors and stuff like that. So I kind of get that. But yes, I say it's not really me complaining or anything, it's just the reality of it all. So a garage like this that has like 5 levels, you should have chargers on each levels, you know, to really help, you know, help the situation. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of rough. It's gonna be kind of rough, but you know, you have to just try and find a solution at the end of the day. I'm thinking, but yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see, the 3 Tesla right there. 1, 2, 3. That's right there. So yeah, I'm just wait to see if anybody come and move their car or anything like that, so I can get like a park or anything like that. You know, that would be good to get some juice, or yeah, anything like that. That would be good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip, us traveling, you know what I mean, checking out this the ranging anxiety. You know, these are some of the issues that you face when you drive an electric car, but I still recommend it. If you can charge at home, if you have an EV that can hold enough charge, that can take you to a destination and back, then that's lovely. Mine is just to go in and around town, but I'm far away from around town. I'm like 35 miles away from where I live, so that's different, you know what I mean? But for the everyday use of my bug, it's okay. But if you have to commute, let's say 60 miles per day, then I don't recommend you buy a used Nissan Leaf with low miles. It won't get you where you need to go. You won't get the job done. So be very mindful of that. But I'm pleased with my purchase of my Nissan Leaf. It gets the job done for what I want to do with it. It's just that I can't take a road trip with it. That's not even, that's, you can't even take that into consideration, so that you're going to do a road trip in this 2012 Nissan Leaf. So yeah. But again, I hope you guys learn from this, enjoy, leave your comments down below. If you want more videos on this or anything EV related, you can leave it in the comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. If there's any other update or anything, I'll just shoot and add that to it. Alright guys, so I plugged in at Electrify America fast charger, supercharger. This is one of the older units. Those units over there, they are the faster units. So that's a CCS. As you can see, it's rustic and used. 150 kilowatt up to. And the Chattermore, which is the older fast charging for Nissan Leaf, is up to 50 kilowatt. So currently I'm charging at roughly 29 kilowatt right now, and it will take 58 minutes to get up to 85%. And this is the cost I'll be paying for the kilowatt. So it's 43 cents per kilowatt used. So I'm roughly at 1.326 kilowatt already. It says I'm at 21%, which is not too accurate a reading for my car, because I don't have that much in the battery pack, but we'll see how that goes. So I'll be here for a minute or two, probably 30 minutes. Yeah, so 2 minutes gone so far. So it's doing its thing. Not making much of a sound, it's kind of silent, but it's charging. Sugar in the car right there hiding. It's charging up. But yeah, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I've ended the charging. I've charged 10 kilowatt right there. Right there, 49 minutes, almost 50 minutes, 10 kilowatts. We're good to go. Spent $4.30. Yeah, so that's about it right there. So I give you a breakdown, unplug. Okay, thank you, Mark. All right, wrap it up. Now for the finale. Oh, click finish. Time to say how much range I get, because I might cry. Dun, da, da, da. Little bit of miles. Bomba 42. Ain't going nowhere. It ain't fully charged, but we move. Alright. 47. Alright. We move.